You search how to buy shares of Lakeshore Acquisition III Corp. This is a brief overview of the company, listed on NASDAQ under the ticker LCCC. Note this is an educational guide, not financial advice. To trade, you need a broker. We use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account, usually by uploading an ID, and then add funds to your account. Use the platform search box and enter the ticker LCCC. Locate the listing that matches Lakeshore Acquisition III Corp. to ensure you have the correct stock. On the asset page, review the basic company details and the price chart. Confirm the NASDAQ listing and ticker to make sure this is the right stock. To invest, click the Trade or Buy button. Enter the amount you want to invest, then review and confirm the order. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or executed at the next session. And if you lack funds, the platform will prompt you to add them before confirmation. Your new position will appear in your portfolio once the order fills. For the platform link, check the description below.